All right, we're gonna go get the chickies some fine fruits and vegetables. All right, let's see. Buck, buck, buck. Got some food. There you go. Oh, oh. There you go. A little one on the right there, that's coconut. White one's creamy. And the front there we got, that's little Jerry. Now this one that's in the front of us here, that is Blossom. And then the gray one in the back is hiding out is hey. Yeah, the gray one there is Poppy. The one now hiding in the back is Hot Dog. So there we go. Let's set them. Go eat your food. Look at all the good food. Go on. There you go. See? Oh, look at this. There's strawberries over there. Yeah. Bark, bark, bark. Are any of them roosters? I don't know. Any of them hens? I don't know. I hope they are. One of you better produce some eggs, or you'll all be soup. And I'm up.